Throw those toxins out the door and use this natural recipe to help soothe your muscles. Let's make a Sports Relief Lotion together so that we can help soothe those muscles after a long day. Hey guys, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. It's time to turn off those distractions because making is healing, and let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. First things first, you'll need your recipe card. You'll also need your copaiba from your recipe box, your bergamot from your recipe box, and your 1 ounce bottle of lotion. All right, so you'll grab your lotion base and it says you're going to add in 2 drops of bergamot and 1 drop of copaiba. Bergamot smells amazing. And the reason that we use the copaiba is because it's super soothing to your muscles and can help with a whole bunch of areas all over your body. All right, so once you have those essential oils in your lotion base, you're gonna wanna stir them so that they're evenly incorporated into the lotion base to make sure that the oils are safe for your skin. This recipe is super easy, it's super effective, and you are absolutely gonna love it. So now that this is stirred in, you'll wanna add your label so you can see what date you made it and what's inside the lotion base. You can put the label anywhere on here. I'm putting it on the top so that when I have it in my purse, I can see it, grab it, and I can use it when I need it. This recipe should be good to use for about 6 months, so make sure you use it all up before that date. This recipe was super easy and you guys can learn to make it too. Let's test it out. To use, grab the amount of lotion that you want to use for the area and you can rub it in to the affected area. I love it. The Simply Earth recipe box made it so easy to make this all-natural recipe. Don't forget to take pictures of your finished recipe so that I can see those on social media. Just use the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You guys are gonna become essential oil masters in no time. With this box, you'll be using essential oils with confidence and clarity. Go get yours today. See you later.